In this video, we're going to be subtracting fractions. We have 7 over 9 subtract 5 over 9. The first thing we need to do when we're subtracting fractions is we need to look at our denominators. Our denominator needs to be the same in order for us to subtract. Now when we look, we can see that our denominator, that's the number in the bottom of the fraction, is a 9 in our first term and in our second term. So it is the same, which means we can go ahead and subtract. If in this problem, or if we had a problem where the denominators were different, we would have to first manipulate or change our fractions so that the denominators were the same. But in this case, we don't have to worry about that. Okay, so what do we do now? Well, the first thing we have to do is we know our denominator, right? It's 9, so we can go ahead and write that down. Then, when we're subtracting fractions, once the denominator is the same, all we need to do is subtract the numerators. So simply, in this case, it's going to be 7 minus 5. So 7 minus 5 is just 2. The only other thing we might want to do with this problem is see if we could simplify it further. But when I look at my answer, 2 over 9, I can see that if I break these numbers down into their factors, we cannot further reduce 2 over 9. So our answer is simply 2 over 9. If you would like to learn how to quickly study for your GED exam online and get a new resume, then visit testprepskills.com.